Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Boya and Dulabic here. So, are you looking for an all-in-one lens for about $30? Stay tuned. This is the Vivitar 70-150mm f3.8 close focusing zoom lens. The lens was created around 1980. With a simple switch, the lens can go from being used as a zoom lens with a minimum focusing distance of 1.5 meters or as a close focus lens with a minimum focus of 40.5 centimeters. On the lens, you will find an aperture ring going from 3.8 to 22, a zoom ring, and a focus ring. The filter diameter is 52 millimeter, and the lens hood is actually built in and retracts when needed. The mount for this lens is a Canon FD, and in my case I'm using an FD to micro four thirds adapter to mount it to my cameras. Now let's take a look at some samples. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, this is a pretty sweet lens. To me, this is an awesome all-in-one because not only are you getting the zoom, the 70-150, which on micro four thirds becomes a 140 to about 300, unless you have a focal reducer, but you are also getting that close focusing distance. Now this is not macro because it doesn't go quite that close to an object, but it's very handy if you are out and about. You know, you're shooting something that requires a telephoto lens with the zoom, well, you got that. And at the same time, if there's something that you want to, you want to take a shot, whether it's a picture or video of very close up, well, you got that covered too, right? So it's a pretty versatile lens. It's sharp, it's very sharp, so you're not going to have a problem with that. And yeah, you're getting the best of both worlds with this guy. So, if I have to choose, between one lens, if I have to do a variety of things, I'm going to take this guy, right? So that's cool. It is a pretty big lens, which, doesn't always make it easy in terms of portability. And you might want to get a focal reducer with this guy because it's not the fastest lens, right? But all in all, still, I think this is a pretty kick-ass lens for a really good price. And yeah, in my opinion, I think this is something that you should definitely give it a try, and I think you're going to have a great time. So links to everything you saw here will be in the description, so check it out. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends and all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.